All right, if you are looking for an affordable waterproof Bluetooth speaker for the shower or really anywhere, hopefully this video can help you out. We're going to be reviewing this and even putting it to the test. Is it indeed waterproof? So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here it is right out of the box, brand new. The brand is INSEE, I think that's how you pronounce it, and basically the price point is exactly where I want it to be. I think I paid $21 or so. It comes in a variety of colors. I opted for the solid black. This is what it looks like. And by the way, I will put links in the description below, as I always do, for supplies, products, anything you see in my videos. Check those out if you are interested. But it's got a really nice, glossy, professional look to it. It feels heavy, not cheap at all. We're going to be testing out the sound and some of its other features here in a minute, but there's the charging cord. We've got a suction cup as well. So the idea is that you could actually stick it to the tile in your bathroom shower. I don't know if I would do that, but that's what it's for. Now, this big thick piece of rubber kind of peels up and removes. It is waterproof, right? So this little piece will stop the water, or will it, right? We're going to test that out soon. But it's got a TF card reader, so you can actually play music from a card, and the charging port itself. It uses a USB-C input for charging. And the cord is provided, but the wall adapter is not provided. But you can just use one for your phone, for example, to charge that up. And we'll let that charge for a good hour or so, and assuming that it's pretty much full charge, at least for the purposes of this video and this test, here are the buttons on the back side: power, volume up, and some of the toggle options. So pretty simple interface, and the instructions will of course tell you exactly how to use those, but pretty simple. It's got a Bluetooth button, so we're going to be pairing that with our, in this video we'll be pairing it with an iPad, but certainly you could pair it with your phone. Let's take a quick break. I've got a to-do list for you. First, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video if you're finding it helpful. If you've got a tip, a question, or just want to share what's worked for you, drop it in the comments below. I love hearing from my viewers. Also, if you're feeling generous and you want to help feed my kids, half joking, not really, hit that thanks button. You can check out my channel merch for some cool DIY Bandit gear. You can shop trusted tools and home products that I use, and even consider becoming a member for some cool exclusive perks. Everything you need is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. So we've got an iPad. Now ideally your iPad could be mounted to your bathroom wall, for example. So you can go in and click the play button, pair it, click the play button, and enjoy music while you're in the bathroom, right? But of course you could take this anywhere, to the beach, for example, or camping or something like that. So we're going to click play, test out the sound quality a little. Let's get some sweet jams going. How about some vintage Savage Garden? There's your Bluetooth pair button and the volume control. So as I'm testing the quality of the sound here, it has, I'm no music professional by any means, but it has sufficient treble, and the bass is good, but not great. So you're not going to get a super deep bass, for example, out of this piece for this price point. So, but as far as listening to music and having sufficient volume and a good connection, this is where it's at. So again, the idea is that you can mount your iPad, at least that's my idea. How I'm going to do that, I haven't figured that out yet, but this idea that you walk in, click the play button, and you've got music in your bathroom or shower, that is awesome. Now, as far as is it waterproof or not, let's get it tested out here. We'll put it underneath the faucet and just let it sit, because if it can handle this, then it could certainly handle some spray from the shower if it's not under the direct water flow, or some steam coming out, right? So if it's submerged like this, I'm noticing that the sound is still playing, but there's a diminished quality to the sound when the speaker part is actually wet, which makes sense because as sound waves travel through water, that's obviously affected. In other words, you're going to notice a difference if it is indeed submerged. But I don't think you're listening to this submerged. But what I'm looking for here is it going to stop working? Is it going to fade out? Is there, going to be some type of issue? It claims to be waterproof. It better be waterproof. I expect that to be true. So I don't want it to die at the moment, because water infiltration, and I don't want it to stop working a day or a week or a month later. So the test has passed, and by the time I publish this video, at the time you're watching this, you can assume it's still working at least a month after the fact, after this test happened. So in other words, water did not seep in and destroy any of the electric products, or components, so I consider this a win, and indeed a waterproof wireless speaker. So that's pretty awesome. Now, if you're going to take the scuba diving with you or something, that would be another story. Maybe it could handle that, but why are you listening to music underwater, right? But as far as an application like this, I think it's going to be pretty straightforward, and again, definitely worth the price point. $20 or so for the black model color here. And instead of using the suction cup, I'm going to put it right here, because I don't want the suction cup to fail. I could certainly use some glue and make sure that's on, semi-permanently, but I don't trust the suction cup. If that falls, it's going to damage my floor, and that would be a big no-no. So anyway, we'll stop the video there, and hopefully this has helped you make a good purchasing decision. Thanks so much for being with me.